Ditokololo di le pedi tsa khuduthamaga di ikuetse go Mopresidente go emela ka thoko go latela dipatlisiso tsa kwa Phalaphala.
The issue of Phala Phala is under investigation. You will expect cabinet members to know better that we allow investigations to run their course before any pronouncements are made. And so those pronouncements and those calls can be taken as just part of the noise that generally is there in the system. Does the president feel undermined? No, he doesn't. He doesn't feel undermined, but he's very much alive to the dynamics that I've just painted for you.
Ramaphosa o na le go fitlha ka Sontaga go kwalela ditokololo di le 3 tse di ikemetseng tseo di batlisang gore a gona le dikgonagalo tsa gore a go ka dirwa commission ya go mogogela mo pele ga kgotlatshekelo go tla go ikarabela kana jang.
Submissions made by members of parliament to the inquiry panel will be responded to in the course of the president's submission. So we're not going to debate and ventilate those issues here.
Magwenya re Mopresidente o santse a emetse dikgotlatshekelo go konosetsa tsamaiso ya semolao ya go sekega mosireletsi wa setšhaba Bosisiwe Mkhwebane. Khabagare Ramaphosa a re ga golegane ka go pele rakgwebo hangwane maumela ga mmogo le setlogolo sa gago ba go begwang fa ba iponetse diranta di le dimilione go maokelo a gauteng mo dingwageng di le 3 tse di fetileng. Bobedi bo bo tlhalositse jaana.
No, you keep saying my nephew. I don't even know this gentleman. And so let's not even get there. I don't know him.
The record remains to the extent that he knows of him as a son of his ex-brother-in-law. He doesn't have any relationship with him, nor does he have any knowledge of his business dealings. So there's no discrepancy there, because that was not the question he was responding to. He just so happened to be distracted by whoever that was howling at him, and he just responded in passing.
Magwenya o gateletse gore Mopresidente o batla go tla ka leano la go tsaya dikgato kgatlhanong le ditona tse di amega mo pegelong e ka ga maiteko a go gapiwa ga puso.